Ladies and gentlemen, he is the tag team of Sean Cordova, Corey Summers, the ones who matter in the stable of Unity.
Yeah. All right, we might have some new champions tonight.
Vikings, it's time to fight! Brothers in arms, break down the shell wall!
And currently the ring of this town, your League of Lions Tag Team Champions, Dane Ironbelly and Warhammer, the Sons of Plunder!
I don't think these guys like each other because
Yeah, them and the Sons of Plunder and like don't really go together.
not even a little bit. Everybody's not.
I don't think I've ever seen Viking YNs before.
Whoa, guy. That title around Bailey's waist is stretched out to the limit.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, this is for the League of Lions Tag Team
All right,
Championships.
what you got? Let's go, Corey. Let's go. Huh?
The ones who matter are no strangers to gold.
Nah. All right. I'm excited about this one. All right.
And now we're going to kick things off. Sean Cordova, Warhammer. And there's the lockup to start up the match.
Massive lockup.
Warhammer winning the battle of strength early. Big chop to the chest of Sean Cordova.
Okay.
And he looks like he enjoyed that.
Yeah, well,
He said, "Please, sir, may I have some more?" There's Duck under the lockup. He's got the takeover from the back. Headlock takeover by Sean Cordova. Corey Summers fully behind his tag team partner, but Warhammer fighting him off and shoving his face into the corner with a choke there. Referee trying to get the breakup.
all right. No, nobody home. Got him.
Big chop to the chest.
Got him.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Clothesline from the corner. Looks like it's going to be a running bulldog. And there it is. Cover. Kick out at one. They will not be relinquishing the tag team championships that easy. Off the ropes.
Nice.
Big high kick from Corey Summers. Wrenching that headlock. Bringing him down for a neck breaker.
Oh, wow.
Looking for a mounted attack here with the sickle forearms.
Yeah, I remember those.
I also remember them. They are not fun. Brother's got the hardest elbows in the business.
Brother be bowing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Nice. Oh, bringing it right down on the elbow of Warhammer.
Man, the big axe handle on Warhammer.
Tags back in. Phenomenal tag team wrestling we're seeing here from the ones who matter. Off the ropes. Double clothesline to Warhammer, and down he goes. Leg drop.
Let's go.
Covered. Kick out at one. Warhammer's not having any of it. but you see the welts forming on his back. Thrown into the boots of Cordova. Tag.
See what we got here. Slingshot into a DDT. Oh my goodness.
Slingshot DDT. Cover. 2 count this time. Warhammer is starting to get tired. Sickle forearm. Here comes them elbows again.
Nice.
Clawing into the eyes is Warhammer.
Grab him by the face. I like that.
Tagging
Right
in
the
Thane Iron Belly.
Here we come. Oh, wow. Oh,
Big headbutt there to Corey Summers.
gee.
Just throwing him around like he's a rag doll, and down into the ropes Thane Iron Belly goes. Drop kick to the skull. Oh, just sit on his face.
Wow.
Tagging in Sean Cordova. The ones who matter have a distinct advantage so far in this match against the champions. Down goes Iron Belly.
What do they got?
Double Bulldog!
Nice.
Cordova with the cover. Thrown off by Thane Iron
serious
Belly.
right now?
He just threw you airborne, brother.
What? Wow, guy.
The absolute power of Thane Iron Belly.
He is no joke. What?
Blowing through both men. Hit him with the belly.
Wow. Got him.
He said, I'm not catching you. You ain't worth my time.
Oh, goodness.
And down goes Summers. Cover. 2 count.
Summers tried to literally crossbody him and just ricochet
He
off his
pulled the nope.
Nah, not today.
Into the ropes go Corey Summers. And then choking the life out of him with that boot to the back.
Holy moly.
I wouldn't want to get on his bad side, referee.
Does he have a good
He
side?
looks awful angry.
Oh.
Yeah, that hurt you, didn't it? That wasn't very smart.
What is that thing made of?
Oh, what a suplex to Corey Summers.
Come on, Summers. You got to be smarter than that.
Uh-oh. Oh, I think he might kill him. Oh, my God. What a suplex.
Oh, my God.
I wouldn't let that happen to me, though.
Yeah. That's a bad situation to be in, my friend.
Tag in.
Sons of Plunder firmly in control right now.
This is why they are tag team champions.
Because they beat the hell out of people.
Suplex.
Oh, look at the
bridged. What a
Look at the
perfect
bridge.
flex.
Come on, man.
Somebody wake up Mr. Perfect from his deep sleep.
Oh, nice. All right.
When the Sons of Plunder enter the ring, you hear the sound of thunder, but it is not lightning. It is the sound of strikes from Warhammer to his victims.
I like when you're riled up like this.
Well, thank you.
Oh,
Corey Summers fighting back the only way he knows how. Bows to faces.
Shrugged
But Warhammer
off.
said, nah,
Shrugged off
and not
the
you,
spear.
brother.
Shrugged off.
He
the
said, that
spear.
ain't you. But Corey
Shrugged it off
Summers,
again.
DDT into the
That's
mat.
it. Come on.
Cover. Kick out at 2. Sean Cordova trying to get the fans back behind the ones who matter. You see Corey Summers starting to rise to his feet. And so does Warhammer as he strikes him. He goes for the body shots and then grabs his skull and throws him back down into the canvas. Shooting him up into the ropes. Shoulder tackle.
Huge shoulder tackle.
Tag into Thane Ironbelly, and the pain is only beginning. He said, I'm throwing him back.
Are they playing catch with this guy? What
He
is
said,
happening?
I'm going to hit somebody with it. Oh!
Oh, my God.
The referee couldn't believe it. It stunned him. And then down goes Sean Cordova off the apron, and then Thane Ironbelly is the legal
That's what
man.
I'm saying. He's so stunned, he counted off on Hannah. Come on, man. What is happening? Oh, he's fighting out of it.
Yeah. Come on, Corey. Oh, my God!
Let's go. Fantastic.
I know it's only spring, but in this building here, it's summertime!
Too sweet for that one. I'm so happy.
I think that move left Corey Summers a little worse for wear. He still doesn't know where he is right now. There's the tag.
Got him. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Sean Cordova coming in like a house on fire.
Oh, come on.
He knows that this is his chance to retain gold.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Supernova Sean Cordova looking for the... Oh, first, taking down Thane Ironbelly. Is he going to hit a snapshot?
Of course. Come on. That's what happens.
The snapshot! Oh!
And now what? Oh!
Oh, my God! Oh, the ropes! What did I tell you about it being summertime in this building right now?
They took out the barricade in the first row. Holy,
This is awesome!
This is amazing.
Laying it all on the line for the tag team titles. The ones who matter are firing back against the Sons of Plunder. Oh, he was caught by Thane Ironbelly. A measure of revenge there. And now Warhammer. Warhammer's got up Sean Cordova and throws him right on Ironbelly. Cover.
Oh, well.
The winners of the match and still tag team champions, the Sons of Plunder!
Vikings, it's time to fight. Brothers in arms, break out the shell wall.
Wow. That is a formidable team, guys. Formidable.